So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a day 3. The finals is back and I am excited as well as nervous on the same time. Excited because finally I got the chance to be in the finals to the time attack, because yesterday I did have a crash and मेरी रात कैसे निकली मैं अभी तक आपको बता भी नहीं सकता, just because they haven't announced कि कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं वैसा वैसा. So we are waiting for a very long time. First of all, आज का शेड्यूल ये रहेगा कि अभी जैसे आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे प्रोज का जो है वो उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है. देन दे विल हैव अ रन. देन amateurs like for us we will do the registration and उसके बाद हमारा रन होगा. आज का बेसिकली ये रहेगा. फर्स्टली वी हैव अ इनर लैप. लाइक बेसिक इनर लैप है कि पिट लेन से हमको अंदर जाना है लैप के अंदर. इट्स नॉट एन ऑफिशियल लैप स्टार्टिंग बट इट्स गोना बी द फर्स्ट इनर लैप. देन वी हैव 3 laps कंटिन्यू. The best time out of these 3 laps will be taken as for the top 12, and then we have the outer lap. Basically, after crossing the checkered flag, we have to come in. We have to take another lap and we have to come in the pits. Pit entry and pit exit are fixed. We cannot enter from either way. So, let's see what happens. Let's do the registration in some time and get back to you. So registration has started here and I have done my registration. It's my lucky number 7 again. Hi, that's Parvesh Bhaiya. I have seen him. That's my brother and that's the bike testing going on. And secondly, then we will have a number. I'm much more excited to see the pros go first so that I can learn from them as well and try to win. All bikes are set here, all ready, all prepped for the race weekend. Mine is standing in the second line, number 7. That's some most probably I've been getting. And firstly, the pros will go, and second, some नाश्ता करते हुए भाई लोग ये बावले हो रखे.
I have, but I saw you smoking. I didn't say anything.
You have?
कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay, bro.
The pros are starting right now.
After that, coming back and so on for another generation of amateurs, and then teaching them how to ride as well. So this is where it begins for you, and this is where it begins for us.
So finally completed the GT Cup. Mine was okay. I was not that good because my shoulder was completely paining all the time, so I wasn't able to give my 100% today. But next year I'm gonna, if I don't get selected in top 12, next year I'm gonna be much more faster, much more strong as compared to this year, because this is my first track session officially on such a huge track, such a huge speed. Now they will announce the top 12 contestant of pro and top 12 contestants of amateur and the extras as well. So let's hope for the best. If I can get, I might not. Let's see.
Your speed higher, you have to go there. So exaggerate it right now.
So guys, there's a good news and there's a bad news. Let's start with the good news first. I got selected in top 20, and now the bad news is I got 13th position and was left by 0.1 seconds. my lap time was 1 minute 25 seconds, 4:58, and 1 minute 25 seconds, 3:58. This was the lap time for the last person, the 12th position, and mine was 13th. So apparently I have to race tomorrow, but I'm not sure about the season, the GT Cup season 2025. If there is any sort of changes, I would be the first rider to be called. But the thing is, I am pretty much sad this time that I couldn't make it, and by such a narrow margin. I cannot explain this feeling. So yeah, let's see what happens. Tomorrow is my mock drill. What things are there in GT Cup. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.